Hayi, kushubile between uMama Joy noGayton McKenzie. Sanibonani, I hope ukuthi niphilile. UGayton McKenzie uthi yena ayikho imali ezohambisa ama-supporters or ama-fans kwi-World Cup. Hayi wadinwa kanjalo uMama Joy wathi ayibo uthini we-minister uthi akunamali yokusihambisa kanjani bo. Hayi uMama Joy wayobhala isigaxa. Manje kena ngithi ake sifunde lesigaxa sobabili ngoba angifuni ukuthi nithi kusasa mina ngithanda amanga. Nangu uMama Joy ubhalile la uthi yena to all SA fans, let's just accept ukuthi no World Cup for us. At Gayton McKenzie, at Minister Gayton McKenzie, at Sports Arts and Culture won't be able to help us. You are at your own. Let's just pray for the president to give us a new minister of sports that can love fans. Mama Joy did not realize ukuthi le statement asibhalile la sizoraise a lot of questions towards South Africans, because now South Africans were like, oh, hold up, oh, vachabiki man, Mama Joy, what did you just say? But before we get into that, Gayton McKenzie uye wa responder. And this is Gayton McKenzie's respond. Oh my goodness, the shade. Oti, we got you a husband, my sister. Let him pay for the love of his life. The euro is very strong. French men are known to be romantic. Let him pay Sister Joy. And then from there, what's he love, what's he first pump. That's Gayton McKenzie for you. So Mama Joy ushetene ndoda who's, rolling in euros. So Gayton responding ngokuthi sis, wena nje you shouldn't even complain ngoba unendoda sikunikeze indoda ephethe ama-euro hayi ama-dollar, euros. So leyo ndoda leyo mayikuhambise. So now going back to ipost Mama Joy, a lot of South Africans now started to question, okay, does that mean all of these fans that we usually see on our screens during World Cup or wherever it's hosted, whether it's hosted in Brazil, whether it's hosted in New Zealand or in South Africa, but to be specific, whenever the World Cup is hosted outside of South Africa, does that mean ukuthi lama fans lawo, these supporters, kusho ukuthi bayakhokhelwa to such an extent that I think it's Metro FM, if I'm not mistaken, where Mama Joy was invited by, I remember Andile Ncube is the one that interviewed Mama Joy and asked Mama Joy, Mama Joy, are you telling us that all these years, supporters, you guys were sponsored by Sports, Arts and Culture? You know why a lot of people are questioning all of this? Is because of already we have within the industries, we've got actors, we've got actresses, they are not supported enough, right, by the department. Now, that is why Andile was emphasizing Guti. So fans were literally being supported Tina sisele la eMzansi, we're struggling, ordinary South Africans are struggling. We're thinking, Nati, we're going to make it in life so that we can buy our own tickets to go. Kanti people are being sponsored. Aksi mali. Yabo. Tina site, labantu laba baphila ubuthebelele. They are working hard. That is why they are able to buy tickets to go watch Ntontona ama World Cup. Kanti, you guys are being sponsored. Mama Joy, ulwimi nje wathi uMama Joy hayi uyabona Andile mina bengingafisa ukuthi ngiphendulo Andile uthi Mama Joy uthe wena ufuna ukuthi ku replacewe uminister, ufuna omunye uminister. Does that mean the previous minister wayenihambisa na? That was Andile Ncube's exact question. Does that mean the previous minister wayenihambisa wathi yena akafisa ukukhuluma ngaleyo ndaba? Andile wathi Mama Joy uwe olethe le ndaba le to the public, and now the public deserves to know, and which is true. We deserve to know. Yeah, we cannot take away the fact that Mama Joy has been a very wonderful supporter throughout the years, right? And also, I don't see any problem in sponsoring Mama Joy, right? But then what about the many more other fans? Because of Mama Joy, iposti yakhe clearly states ukuthi fans. She was addressing fans, the people that she usually travels with. That's how the post sounded like. Mama Joy. Mama Joy. So, angazi guys, what do you think about this whole thing? What do you think? Do you think ukuthi uMinister Vele must just take out money and sponsor the guys to go to World Cup? Or you like, sinenkinga is ninki, and it does not only have to be esports that is benefiting from the department. We have other people within arts and culture department that also needs to benefit. What is your take in this whole issue, Eyaga Mama Joy and Gayton McKenzie? Goba hey, kuninki, kuninki. Guys, if it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And of course, guys, please like the video and don't forget to comment and tell me what are your thoughts about this whole thing between Umama Joy and Gayton McKenzie.